Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the case and both earbuds have at least half charge. This avoids interruptions. Hold the case open close to your phone so the earbuds enter pairing mode immediately. Make sure you are on the phone's Bluetooth settings screen. Once the JBL Wave 300 TWS appears, tap to connect. You're doing this to let the earbuds negotiate a stable first handshake and download any necessary connection parameters, which reduces dropouts later. Once paired, secure each earbud in the correct ear so the mic and drivers align with your ear canal. This improves call clarity and bass response. Learn the touch controls. A single or double tap manages play, pause, and skip. Practice a few times to build muscle memory. If audio sounds thin, swap to a different ear tip and reseat the earbuds. Proper seal boosts bass and passive noise reduction, making calls and music clearer without extra volume. To finish, always return earbuds to the case to begin charging. The LED indicators show charge status, and the case provides extra full charges when you're out. If pairing or audio issues persist, reset the earbuds by pressing and holding both touch zones for about 10 seconds. This clears corrupted pairings. If that fails, remove old JBL entries from your phone's Bluetooth list and repeat the pairing steps. This ensures the phone performs a fresh handshake without legacy conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.